2022, Hyundai Santa Cruz, pickup truck. Hyundai Santa Cruz pickup truck is coming to America, and it will also be built in America. The South Korean automaker announced that Santa Cruz production will begin in 2021 at the company Montgomery, Alabama assembly plant. A production time frame and location for the much-anticipated truck, a machine that Hyundai is keen to call a compact utility vehicle, but we still do not know what it will look like. The world was shown the Santa Cruz concept way back in 2015 at the North American International Auto Show in Detroit, but since then we have had nary a teaser to go on rendering builds on the concept shape, but a report from earlier in 2019 suggests the production model could look significantly different. As for other details, a recent report stated the small pickup would not be a unibody design, but instead take a Hyundai truck to be serious truck on a ladder frame chassis, similar to what you had find on a full-size pickup from Detroit. That means a four-wheel drive version is almost a certainty, and the Santa Cruz could be offered in various cab formats. Of course, much of this is merely rumor at this point, but the talk does emanate from Hyundai officials. With production slated to begin in 2021, we should expect to see Santa Cruz prototypes on the road pretty soon, with the return of the Ford Ranger and the 2019 Jeep Gladiator, expanding the midsize truck segment in America. There is certainly some competition awaiting Hyundai new offering. What do you think of 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz pickup truck? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.